Just located southeast of India, Sri Lanka is a hidden gem of the Indian Ocean and is a must visit place for any travel lover. This country truly offers it all from breathtaking scenery to awesome wildlife safaris. Whether you want to lounge on the beach, search for elephants on a safari, or go hiking, Sri Lanka has so much to offer. Hello, friends, welcome to Canis Express, and here are some interesting facts you might not know about this beautiful country. Sri Lanka has two nicknames: the Pearl of the Indian Ocean and the Teardrop of India. The country gets its first nickname due to its natural beauty, incredible biodiversity, and the precious gemstones that are exported out of the country. The second nickname is due to the country's location and its shape. Sri Lanka is almost shaped like a teardrop and is found off the southern coast of India, hence the name Teardrop of India. The Portuguese arrived on the island nation of Sri Lanka in 1505. They called it Silao. The name was later changed when it became a British Crown colony. They westernized it into Ceylon, a name that has lasted through its independence in 1948 and up until 1972 when it became Sri Lanka. The official name of Sri Lanka is the Democratic Socialist Republic of Sri Lanka, and its history is very diverse, and that diversity is reflected in the numerous religions found on the island. The major religion is Buddhism, but there are also large percentages of Christians, Muslims, and Hindus. The two local languages are Sinhalese and Tamil. Sri Lanka has an incredibly high literacy rate, with over 92% of the population being literate, which puts the country at the top with the highest literacy rate in all of South Asia. The Sri Lankan government takes education very seriously, and its literacy rate continues to grow among the youngest population annually. Though the most popular sport in the country is cricket, it is volleyball that has made the national sport. Sri Lanka introduced the game in 1916 and it gained tremendous popularity in a few years. In 1951, the Volleyball Federation was established and it was officially declared the national game of Sri Lanka in 1991. Did you know cinnamon is one of the most popular spices in the world and is found in all sorts of food from curries to cake? This spice was originally found in Sri Lanka and was actually discovered around 2000 BC by the Egyptians. Currently, 80 to 90% of the world's cinnamon comes from Sri Lanka. Tea is a big business in Sri Lanka and it's its largest export, accounting for 12% of its export by product. Sri Lanka is the fourth largest exporter of tea in the world, and in February 2017 marked its 150th anniversary of tea exportation. Ceylon tea, being that Sri Lanka is most known for, is considered the cleanest tea in the world by ISO. When traveling across Sri Lanka, you might see signs saying hotel, but it may not be a place to stay overnight, as it is common for restaurants, cafes, and bars to be named as hotels. The exact reason for this is not known, and if you ask locals, they would probably say it is just a cool thing to do. This could be misleading, so to find out whether it is a hotel or a restaurant, you might need to check whether it serves food or there is room for the night. 45% of all energy in Sri Lanka comes from the natural resources. Thanks to Sri Lanka's waterfalls and rivers, 20% of the energy comes from hydropowers and other sources includes solar and wind. Sri Lanka only covers an area of 25,332 meters square, which is just slightly larger than the US state of West Virginia. However, its wildlife is incredibly diverse. It's home to 123 species of mammals such as elephants, leopards, and crocodiles, 227 species of bird, 178 species of reptiles, 122 species of amphibians, and many other animal species. Sri Lanka is said to be the only country in the world where you can see the world's largest mammal, the elephant, and the largest marine mammal, the blue whale, in a single day. History was made in Sri Lanka in July of 1960 when Sirimavo Bandaranaike became the world's first female prime minister. Her party won the general elections and she took the office and remained there for 3 terms. Do you know a sacred tooth relic of Lord Buddha brought from India in the 4th century CE is still preserved in the Temple of Tooth in the city of Kandy. Every summer there is a grand festival known as Esla Pehera or Festival of the Tooth, one of Sri Lanka's 7 best festivals to honor the tooth. Sri Lanka is home to the world's oldest human planted tree. The oldest tree planted by the human being rather than by natural seeding is in Anuradhapura, which is one of the ancient capitals of Sri Lanka. It is a sacred fig or bo tree aged 2300 years old and called Sri Mahabodhiya. The tree was planted in 288 BC. Its mother tree is said to be the famous Bodhi tree under which Lord Buddha achieved enlightenment when he was meditating. The national flag of Sri Lanka, or the lion flag, is considered to be one of the oldest flags in the world. It is the only one in the world to recognize different religious groups. After World War II, traditional fishermen created an innovative way of fishing on the shores without boats and nets. They set up stilts that they could sit and fish on, but the practice pretty much died down after the tsunami. Every full moon of every month is a public holiday in Sri Lanka. The holiday is called Poya and it comes once a month on a full moon day. This is a Buddhist holiday that follows the Buddhist lunar calendar. Every month has a special Poya significance, the most important being Vesak Poya, which is the day that celebrates when Buddha was born, illuminated years later and finally died. On Poya days, you cannot buy meat or alcohol anywhere on the island. So friends, these were some interesting facts about Sri Lanka. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing. Thank you very much.